If you still think AI is only for smart people or tech experts, you are already late. One AI tool completely changed the way I create content, the way I save time and make money online, and that tool is Gemini. Most of you are wondering, is Immaculate sure having a machine or a lot of a very big group that makes content for them, that posts? Huh. Before Gemini, creating content used to be stressful for me and for my group. In fact, I would spend hours thinking about captions, thinking about video ideas, thinking about titles, scripts, and what to post next hour. Sometimes I would even give up posting because my mind would go blank. I would be stressed. I would be fatigued. I would sleep less hours. And I would find myself I'm not productive. However much I would be very, very busy. When I discovered Gemini, everything became easier. Now listen carefully, guys. Gemini did not magically send money to my account overnight, but it helped me work smarter and faster online. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Please, I welcome everybody on this mind-blowing video. Thanks for allowing us be on your screen. You guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm not saying the moment you use Gemini, you are going to be a millionaire or you're going to act smart to get to be financially free. No. I'm giving you tips on how it is saving people. So if you want, as a creator, you want take 2 to 10%, go and research on it. Practice. Follow the terms and conditions. Remember, there's for your own information. It is not only Gemini that will bring money in your bank account, on your post. No. Before we dive in, allow me really appreciate our engagers. You're awesome. I love you so much. You know it deep down from my heart. Now, without wasting our time, let's start. But I want you to listen carefully. Gemini will not, again I repeat, Gemini will not magically send money to your account overnight. It will help you smarter and faster online. Here is how Gemini is my story. It can be a story that can help you. This is how Gemini helped me to earn money easily. 1. Content ideas. Whenever you run out of ideas, I run to Gemini and it helps me generate my viral video topics, my YouTube scripts I made by Gemini. It also helps me to make Facebook captions in just a second. It makes me make my hooks that grab attention. It makes me get trending content ideas that brings a high CTR. Instead of being confused for hours, I now create content in minutes. It takes me 1 hour to think, to feed, and to produce. You guys, the second thing that it has helped me is to save my time. Time is money, you know that. And time is money online also. The faster you create quality content, the more consistent you become. If you're consistent, you're rich. So Gemini helps me write captions. I'm telling you, I'll get a caption in my mind and I'll tell it, it will relate it immediately. Gemini corrects my grammar. It corrects my thoughts and organizes them. It creates better storing scripts, because I always tell it, please create for me a better storytelling script or caption. And because I post more consistently now, my pages perform better. It has helped me grow my social media. You saw recently, I don't know how Facebook, I went to 32K followers. I woke up very early in the morning and said, wow. I went to YouTube. I'm going to almost now, I'm seeing 7K, 7,000 subscribers. Most people are waiting for perfect equipment. Yes. And if you're waiting for perfect equipment, you know to grow. This is how it has helped me. It has given me quality content that I post daily, and with it, I get high chances of going viral, of growing followers, of getting monetized, attracting brand deals. I even earn enough money from YouTube and Facebook. It is now not hard for me to see a tutorial video of mine going to 1K. And sometimes they say, wow. And with this type of content, most people don't get interested in. But now, because of Gemini, we are improving. Yes, most people are waiting for perfect equipment, but meanwhile, AI tools like Gemini are helping ordinary people like me to start with just my smartphone. And honestly, one thing I love about Gemini is that it helps me even when I feel tired mentally. Like as I did this video, you can look at me, I was really a bit lazy and drained. Yes, sometimes whenever I feel I need assistance, it organizes my creativity, it organizes my work. Now, I tell you what, this is a sign for me that when the idea dropped in me, I said, this is someone's sign. Stop sleeping on AI tools in 2026. Let me tell them. The internet is rewarding people who are learning faster, creating faster, and posting consistently. I want you to underline that. Learning faster, creating faster, and posting consistently. You don't need to know everything. You only need to start using the tools available around you. Your smartphone is no longer just for entertainment. It can become your office. It can become your business. It is your monthly income source. Trust me. As we watch this video, if you're watching it among the early birds, I'm waiting for my money before anybody waits for salary. It's no longer for entertainment. No. It can become your office like the way it has become my office. It can become your business like the way it has become my business. And it can also help you think about monthly income every month. I would love you, if you're really interested, comment Gemini if you want me to share more AI tools and help you as a creator, as a beginner to make money online. There is no darling point. As I always tell you, in content creation, there is no competition. You can come new and overtake the old one. You can be old and remain there. You can be having enough views, but without money. But on Immaculate Show, what we focus on mostly is money. However, most people, before they even click on your post, they want to see how many views do you have. But because of lacking the knowledge to know that it's all about money, it's all about money and money. Thank you very much. Please go and visit Gemini. And if you start using it, come and give us the testimony. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye.